So what's up guys, I'm really very sorry for not uploading the videos, not replying to your comments for many days. What to say, there are lots of things. But anyway, I am really very glad to inform you that I have worked on many videos so that I will be able to share with you in coming days. Let's take a look what did I grow this winter. But before that, if you are new to gardening a bit, then please consider subscribing. Thank you. Though I started very late, I managed to grow more than 200 plus new plants and all of them are doing okay as of now. So right here, these are 20 African marigold plants. I bought them from nursery at the sapling stage and here you can see they are growing and blooming nicely. There are few plants that I try to grow every year and marigold is one of them. They are very lovely, blooms are quite huge and if we care for them the right way, they keep blooming on regular basis. Next, these are chrysanthemum plants. Like marigold, I believe every gardener should grow them in winter. In my place, they start to bloom from around November and keep blooming till around April to May. Of course, they usually bloom only once and to get flowers once again, we need to do few very important things. They have already bloomed heavily for once and for the second time, I already did all the necessary things. Please wait for my video and very soon you are going to see what we need to do if our chrysanthemum plants have already stopped flowering. These are the salvias. If your balcony gets less sunlight, let's say 1 to 2 hours, then you can grow salvias and enjoy the blooms very easily. Plus, they also bloom in summer considering temperature doesn't go above 35 degrees Celsius. For example, this is the footage from July. Right here I have few Rio plants. They are succulent and please avoid watering too frequently in winter. In winter I water them once in 7 to 10 days and during this time you can also find few brown leaves, that is absolutely normal. Then again these are dianthus, blooming quite well as we can see. Here I am growing the petunias and there are 20 of them. I have also grown more petunia plants in some other ways and soon I would share with you. So right here on this part of the terrace garden there are 130 plants. So far you haven't seen this part of the terrace garden. Now let's take a look at the other part where I am growing more plants. On this part I have actually worked on my existing plants instead of growing new plants. For example, I have worked on my 15 hybrid rose plants and hopefully in coming days they are going to bloom well. Same way I have repotted all of my bougainvillea plants in 16-inch pots. Quite huge pots and it's really somewhat tough work. The pots that I have used have same diameter on top and bottom and we need lots of soil mix to fill them. Honestly saying, my aim is to make my bougainvillea plants to look like the one you can see in nurseries. Of course, which get sold for minimum 3000 rupees. Wish me all the best and soon I am going to share what I did. I have also repotted one of my rubber plants in 16-inch pot and hoping to make it a big one. It was already looking great as you can see here and at that time it was just in a 10-inch pot. So hopefully I am going to have a very big rubber plant very soon. On this part I have few leafy vegetables and I have grown spinach, vegetable mustard and mustard vegetables. These are 2 eggplants as well. Then coming to my balcony, these are my kalanchoes, growing and blooming nicely as we can see. Plus I also grew lots of succulents in last few days. I have also tried to give a new look to my balcony and soon I would share the balcony overview with you. So what did you grow this winter? Please let me know by commenting below. Whatever it is, I am sure that you have grown marigold. I already have one video about how to get tons of flowers on marigold. If you are interested in knowing, then please check out this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great time and take care.